Hi, I am Scott Davis. I have purchased a Honeybee CNC. Basically, it's a portable CNC from Honeybee Company. I'm going to show a little bit of how it works and a little bit of something I can cut out with it by a DXF file that's brought from my computer over with jump drive to the CNC machine. I will show you the machine a little bit right now. This is the machine. It's kind of a downdraft system that I built the table myself. You can see. That would be the blower. Blows the smoke and dust outside. Now I'm going to set up, which I pretty much got it programmed already, to cut a program. And I'll show it as it's cutting and then show the end result when it's finished. Thank you. And it takes a little bit of time to get my piece squared up so I get the size of the thing I'm cutting out, that it's laid out so it cuts on the sheet, that it doesn't miss it. This is a sheet on the table, and I set up the machine, which takes a little bit to learn it, but it's pretty easy. If you're good with computers, it's pretty easy to program. And now I'm going to get all my stuff going here and start cutting pretty soon.